This is 4. Wrap it around, lift it till it comes to me, ready to lock. And you can hold these together to cut them evenly, or what you saw me do the first time is take my hemostat and lock them in to get them evenly, and then cut them evenly. Whatever you like to do. Any questions? Somebody need one more before we get started. Lock in right here and come right to this mannequin and go. And I'm like, baby, just clean your glasses and back out. Okay, and so we come in, we found our landmarks now. Gloves off, you're cleaning. That's a chloride spray. That spray is literally like 25 pounds. It is easy. You don't have to task. Touch your thigh. I believe in telling patients I'm gonna touch it. I don't want no surprise. I don't want them to say, "Oh, she swing my thigh." You will feel me rub across your thigh, touch your knee, and then touch the outside of your knee as well.
seat and I'm really loving the workshop. I like the hands-on kind of approach and the fact that we get to practice. The instructor's awesome and the time's gone really fast. I've had a real good time.